Welcome to 105 North Crossing Drive. This neat 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 1-car garage, fenced backyard, covered front porch. It's located Northeast Columbia, just off of Clemson Road. It's convenient to, just off of Rame Road near Clemson Road. Convenient to Sandhills Shopping, I-77 and I-20, as well as Fort Jackson. So we're out front now. You can see you have a 1-car garage, but you do have lots of great parking out in front. You have a 2-car wide driveway, and then an additional area of concrete to the left over here for some additional parking as well. Walkway up to the front door. A few steps going up. You have a small covered front porch outside, and we'll just give you a quick look back towards the front yard as well. I have a couple pine trees out there. Once we enter here, you have some parquet style wood flooring in the entry, and then you enter into the living room of the home. You can see there's chair rail molding as well as crown molding as well. The stairs going up to the second level are on the left side there. We'll go through this side first. In the living room, you can see there is a brick fireplace. I believe that looks to be wood burning. There's a ceiling fan in here as well. That chair rail and crown molding continue into the dining room right off the living room. There is a sliding glass door out to the backyard as well. So just out back, get that door open, you have a patio off the back of the home, and then the fenced backyard. And then we pass right through into the kitchen. So you have a nice open kitchen. It does have an eat-in dining area or breakfast nook area with a bay window. There's a ceiling fan here as well. Crown molding does continue into here also. You have wood cabinets, and there's an included dishwasher, stainless steel, smooth top electric range, and then there is a refrigerator on this side as well. Kind of continue over into this area. So you have the entrance to the garage on your left here. You have a vehicle parked inside right now, just to give you a bit of an idea of scale, but it is a 1-car garage. And then you also have on the opposite side a half bathroom, conveniently located downstairs. You have a single vanity and commode there, and a window out to the back. And then your laundry room is off of this area as well. Full-size washer and dryer connections, some built-in shelving above, and then a door out to the side of the house, and you can access the backyard from that side. It's inside the gate as well. So we'll go back through. On the way here, we do have a nice sized closet, sort of a storage and utility closet. It is where the water heater is inside there. And then back into the living room. So we'll go upstairs now, take a look at the bedrooms and the 2 additional bathrooms. So we'll just start on the left here and work all the way around. So this is one of the 2 secondary bedrooms. I believe all the bedrooms do have a ceiling fan. This one faces the backyard, has a couple of windows, and you can see the closet there. You also do have a linen closet right next door. One of the other bedrooms, the ceiling fan also overlooks the backyard and has a similar closet to the one we just saw. And then the master bedroom is here. You have the tray ceilings in here, as well as the ceiling fan. 2 closets in this room. That flank, I believe that does. So there actually is a wall in between there. So those are 2 separate closets, but good bit of space. And then you have the master bathroom. Bit of a lighting issue in here right now, I believe. So apologize for the darkness, but you can see there's a single sink here and then a shower and tub. Commode as well, window looking out towards the front. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 105 North Crossing Drive in Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.